Who do the Jets play? The Jets are playing the New England Patriots. And what are they famous for out there in New England? They're famous for New England Clam Chowder. So guess what we're making today? We're making New England Clam Chowder. Every day, cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Alright, here's our ingredients. We got bacon, clam, onion, celery, half and half, water. The list of the ingredients will be down below. So take a look for exact measurements. So we're going to start off with the bacon. We're going to render the fat out of the bacon. Don't do too high of a flame. We're just going to try and render the fat out and get some bacon bits. Now, to me, this is the most crucial part of New England Clam Chowder is the bacon. If you don't eat bacon, I guess just leave it out. All right, so we're going to go ahead and saute our celery and onions. Just a little bit, not too much. And I did put 2 cloves of garlic. I didn't record that, but I did put 2 cloves of garlic. So we're going to give this a nice little stir. Let that cook in the bacon fat for we've been about 3 minutes sauteing this down. And now we're going with 1 cup of water. And then we're going to use the clam juice. Our clams in the can came in clam juice, not water, just clam juice. So we're going to take 2 cans and get the clam juice out of there. We don't want to throw that away. Why waste that flavor? I'm using a chinois. I guess you use any fine mesh strainer that you have at home. You can even gently pour it out of the can. So we're getting all the juice. We're getting all our juice out of there. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the side. And then 1 ounce bottle of clam juice. And now we're going to go ahead and go in with our dry ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Then 4 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. We're going to give that a quick stir, and that's it. That's it for our ingredients. We got our celery, we got our onion, we got thyme, white pepper, and with our potatoes. And we're going to let this go 20 minutes. All right, now to business. We got to play New England again. We lost the last game to them, and that was heartbreaking. But this time, we're going to go up there to New England and beat New England. I said it. Dang on right, I said it. All right, so now we're going to do our slurry. So we got our 1/3 of a cup of flour, and we're just going to mix that in with the half and half. So this will help thicken our soup. Now I don't want a thick soup, like where it's like gravy. Just thick enough where it's not watery. So that's done. And through the magic of time, about 15 minutes went by. Maybe like about 18 minutes. And our potatoes are done. You could do this like that. Boom. That would have been a bite. That potato is ready. I don't want it to be too mushy because I'm going to probably reheat this for lunch. All right, in with our slurry. Now I did turn the pan down because I didn't want this to go, be too hot when I add the half and half. So right now there's no flame. And in we go with our 2 cans of clam. I used minced and chopped. So right then I realized, that's not enough clams. So I had extra. So I went in with 1 can of minced and 1 can of chopped. And that should be plenty. All right, we're just going to give that a stir. And we're going to let this simmer for about, I'd say about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes has gone by. It's slightly thicker, but it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up. Guys, this is a really good recipe. Now I'll link where I got the recipe from down below. Give them credit. But next to chicken noodle, this New England clam chowder is probably one of my favorites. So in we go with some crackers. You gotta have crackers with this. A little bit of bacon for garnish. A little bit of green parsley. You know, just make the plate look a little better for our thumbnails. All right, it's time for our flyover. Guys, there's something about the bacon in this clam chowder with the crackers. It's just delicious. You're not getting bacon out of a can. You've got to make this. It's really so easy. I mean, you got to make this one. This is delicious. It's wonderful. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day.